Model 2012 Transit 100 T260 front-wheel drive body, white, panel van mileage 200,689 MOT. The 21st of May 2024 engine 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in very good condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Fairly clean Mark 7 Euro 5 Transit, simple, easy, bolt-on turbo repair features, 2 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.